So Abhijit has I would say, he's a personality of Mahendra Singh Dhoni because you see on his face the way he talks, he's very calm. But then he takes 50 trades in a month. I cannot imagine him taking 50 trades in a month and managing all sorts of trades. So my first question to you is, like you are working, right?
Right.
So how do you keep track of so many trades? And I've seen you are very good at loss cutting. He cuts his losses very quickly, right? So how do you keep a track of so many trades and manage so many positions at once? How is it practically possible?
Sir, I think TradingView alerts helps me a lot. So when I enter, so मेरे हर एक चार्ट के ऊपर -0.5 आर फिर 2 आर उस पे अलर्ट्स बना देता हूँ whenever I take a trade. So the moment I get an alert, मोबाइल खोला, चार्ट देखा, एक्शन ले लिया. So
But then are you able to work?
yeah, I am because इतने ज़्यादा भी अलर्ट्स नहीं होते. It's manageable. बट वही है कि क्या होता है कि बिकॉज माइन इज अ डेस्क जॉब, तो लैपटॉप पे ही काम करता हूँ, तो साइड में ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेडिंग व्यू खुला ही रहता है, तो अलर्ट्स आया तो वही टैब शिफ्ट करके खोल लिया ट्रेडिंग व्यू, हाँ देख लिया और वहीं पे एक्शन लिया. इट्स जस्ट 1 to 2 minute एक्टिविटी. तो इन बिटवीन आई एम एबल टू शफल एंड वर्क इट आउट. बाकी बार बार वो खोल के नहीं देखते बैठता. इट्स जस्ट अलर्ट बेस्ड एक्टिविटी, देन इट्स पॉसिबल.
So it's again, I repeat, it's very commendable that he's able to retain the edge, taking so many number of trades. It's very difficult job, but he's doing it well. And because he's taking a lot of trades and he is retaining the edge, he's trading in a positive expectancy. That's why he's making such sort of returns. What's been your returns for the last 3 months? And then also tell us the returns for the entire, how many months?
Jan
24, 21, 24 months, right? It almost 21 months. From Q1 2023 you started, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so please let us know.
So last quarter was, I think, 31.2. That was the quarterly return. My ROCD for this year is 350%.
350% ROI for this year or for the
No,
entire?
from Jan to this, 10 months.
From Jan to. So it's really, really crazy performance. And what's been your long-term performance from Q1 2023?
Yeah, so I started, I think Q1 23, I don't have that numbers because my journal maintain तभी नहीं किया था. मैंने लास्ट अक्टूबर से डेडिकेटेडली करना शुरू किया, एंड दैट्स अराउंड 180 to 185% ROSAV, which we see on the dashboard.
Those are fantastic numbers. Those are fantastic numbers. Basically, ROSAV is calculated based on the starting account value for each year. So when we are looking at multi-year performance, ROCD, ROI, return on investment, is a better figure to judge. So what he's saying by 350%, that's on his base capital, the initial capital, the capital deployed. So that's a valid metric for him, and that's a triple-digit return for him. That's a commendable stuff that he has done. Secondly, also, most of us know you very for 2 interviews now, but yet for people here who don't know, so walk us through your journey in the market. When did you get started with trading with the market? What instruments did you trade? What was your approach before and what's your approach now?
So I am investing into the market since 2009, and obviously, like the culture in India we have is we trade either based on tips or we trade through fundamentals. किसी ने बोला कि इसके रिजल्ट अच्छा है, या this company name itself is good, कि you invest it and after 5 years you will get returns and all. तो वही concept से I was working. I never knew how to read charts, और उससे डिसीजन लेके भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. I came to know when I attended your program. So and the drastic difference is, earlier I never knew what is the right time to enter, what is the right time to exit, how much to hold and all, which are obviously the key decision based on which we make money. So पहले पूरा पावर कहीं और था, या मेरे पास था ही नहीं, वो तो obvious था, but now I retain the complete power कि how much I want to hold this, or when I want to enter and when I want to exit. And the biggest change the mindset also comes now कि अब वही टिप्स और अलर्ट्स को जब मैं देखता हूँ, देन आई लाफ ऑन माई सेल्फ कि कितना फूलिश था मैं कि ऐसे टिप्स पे भरोसा करके इन्वेस्ट करता था. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो एडवाइज कि पीपल इन अराउंड अस आर acting on those tips. So knowing the program and the fundamentals and all, I think that's very, very helpful. And at a large, we can, as many people as we help, we can help them avoid making losses into the market.
And I would like to say that with the success stories like that of Abhijit, where he has performed for multiple quarters, multiple years, we are really breaking the notion that the जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि investing is noble, trading is satta, right? So we have broken that notion altogether with the Champions Club, where the normal general statistics is that, like, let's say 5% or 10% of the people are only making money in market, whereas in the Champions Club we have made it the other way around. Maybe for us, just 5-10% of the people would be losing money. 90% we have turned them profitable, and for the years to come, all that those 90% as well, they are going to slowly transition into the profitable side. So all thanks to you guys, and you guys have also given me this opportunity to become a mentor and build this beautiful club. And I'm also enjoying the work that I'm doing in. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.